Mommy bringing chickens home.
What's Mom doing?
Mommy bringing chickens home. Mommy bringing the chickens home. Chicken names chickens. Mo. Chickens Mo.
The chickens are coming.
Chickens coming now, Mo.
Yeah, Mom's bringing them. She'll be here any minute. There she is, look.
Look, Mom bring chickens.
Yeah, Mom's got the chickens. They're going to be in a box.
Big box.
That's the box with chickens.
Box. Chickens. Box.
We've got to take them downstairs and put them in the brooder.
One Buddha.
Come on, Zach, let's help. Let's open the door for Mom.
Open the door, Mom. Open the door, Mom. Box.
You're going to hear them chirping.
Chickens. Box.
We have chickens in the box. You can help. You want to hold my hand?
Yeah, listen to them. Come on, Zach, let's go downstairs and put them in the brooder.
Put the chickens in the brooder? We have to be
Chickens.
really careful with them.
Out.
Can you hear them chirping?
Pick them up.
Oh,
They're so cute.
look at her, will you? Can you open the flap and...
Yeah, let me cut this
Do
off.
it. It's okay.
I'm going to show you just a second, Z-Man. You're very patient.
I'm patient. Open the box.
We're
Yeah.
opening the box.
This bacon.
Look at this chubby one.
That's an Orpington.
Orpington.
Yeah, that's an Orpington.
Bacon out. Dear. Chickens.
These are our new pet chickens.
You put chickens. Dear.
They're goofy, huh?
Goofy.
They're definitely cold, eh?
Yeah.
Cold.
This box didn't seem that warm, really.
Check the vents for pasting here soon, too.
Chicken eat
Is that 8?
real. Chicken eat real.
Yeah.
Chickens eat.
Let me look for that gel.
It's up in there. I have it all together. Zach, what are those?
Our chickens. Our we chickens.
Those are the baby chickens?
We chickens.
Are they going chirp, chirp?
Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Good chickens. Chirp, chirp. Oh, oh. What? Oh,
Yeah, they're chirping.
chirping. Yeah, chirping. Yeah,
I
chirping.
love them already.
Up in the way. Chicken. Chickens eat. Chickens eat.
Zach, what are the chickens doing?
Chickens eat okies. Chickens eat bokies.
Gokies?
I don't know. What are they calling it, Zach?
Making us food. Making us food. Making us
Maybe we should put a little in their food, huh?
Pink chickens. Chickens.
Yeah, chickens.
Warm. Warm.
What?
Large warm.
Large room, yep.
Large room. Bigger. Bigger. Eat rib. Eat rib.
That red light makes everything look funny, huh?
Wait, look funny. Birds. Chickens.
You want to pet this one?
I'm gonna put on this one.
Pet him gently. Can you say hi, Orpington?
Hi, Orpington. Hi, Orpington.
Do you want to pet him one more time on the head? Very good, Zach.
This one.
Which one do you want? This one?
This
Oh, he's a runner.
wonder.
That's a barred rock.
Rock.
Yeah, that's a barred rock.
What rock?
Which one do you want to pet now?
Chickens. Oh, one.
Whatever was wrong with that one seems to be fine now, huh?
Yeah, he seems to have recovered quickly.
Chickens.
Watch out.
Chickens.
Chickens.
Be chickens.
Baby chickens. Little chicks. That one's the littlest one.
Who's this one? Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Got poops on it. Babies.
They seem pretty happy, huh?
We're happy. We're happy, huh? We're happy. We're happy. We're happy. In the water. Chickens in the water.